So, you love great barbecue, but you're in an apartment, living in the big city, in a rental, wherever you are that barbecuing is not permitted. How do you enjoy great barbecue? This is John Furman again from Bub and Mother's. This is a Bub's Bits, and we're going to make it citified. Hey guys, this is the Bub and Mother's personal kitchen. We're going to be making chicken thighs today, barbecue style, but in the oven. Stand by. This is going to be amazing. So our simple ingredients today, we're going to be using some peanut oil, soy sauce, Bango mango for a little zip, and our Chixx Dig It. I'm just going to go through the recipe quickly for speed, and then we're going to show you what it looks like when it's done. Basically, it's a half a cup of oil, a half a cup of soy sauce, a tablespoon of Bango mango, and a tablespoon of Chixx Dig It. You're going to whisk it all up, pour it over your chicken thighs, and let them sit. It's best to let them marinate for an hour or two, just to get that flavor, especially on the skin. We're going to be adding a little bit more rub to it, but basically, just every so often, turn the bag over to make sure that your chicken is getting covered. Once the oven reaches a temperature at 250, we're going to cook those bad boys for a couple hours. Now that you've got them laid out on the tray, I would add another coating of the rubs to taste. Obviously, the first time I suggest, especially with the Bango mango, going light and then adjusting when you cook it at other meals. And then we'll add our Chixx Dig It, which is going to give us a little bit more smokiness because of the chili in it, the smoked paprika, and a little sweetness from the maple crystals. And remember, all of our Bub and Mother rubs are all natural, no preservatives. What you see is what you get. And they're all handcrafted small batch. And to be honest with you, I taste every single one of them before we bottle them, each batch. All right, we're going to pop them in the oven. And we're going to leave them alone for the next 2 hours. Normally, when cooking this way, we don't open the oven at all. But I did want to check in so that you can see we're cooking low and slow at 250 degrees. So we didn't want you to think that you were just going to eat pieces of chicken. We wanted to make a homemade pasta salad a little differently. Now, most people put their pasta salad, they use a mayonnaise base, which we are certainly doing. So we're going to put a big blob of mayo in here that we're going to mix in a second. But one of the things my daughter showed me is she puts an equal part of ranch dressing in there with the mayo. So it's not just getting that mayo taste. And then we put in some chopped peppers, diced onions that we cook the pasta in. So you get that onion flavor all the way through. You get some color, you get some crispiness. So this will be one of our sides. Actually, the only side today. So let's take a look at the finished plated product. And there you have it, folks. Apartment style barbecue, 250 in the oven, low and slow for 2 hours. Perfect. Chicken thighs, a great pasta salad, and you're ready to eat. So tune in for another version of City Q on Bub's Bits. We're out.